Hello my friends, welcome to Splendid Ideas with Maria. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this gorgeous fall home decor. I made two sets of them because I want them for the end tables that I have in my living room. In my previous video, I made a beautiful fall centerpiece with the same colors, and so I wanted to bring some of those same colors to my living room. So if you're interested in how I put all this together, then stay tuned. For this DIY, I used two 6.5 inches glass hurricane stem vases, two of these candle holders, some of these stones, and all of this is from Dollar Tree. Burlap ribbon, and this is a thick one, but you could use any size. And I also got some of the flowers, and I got this pumpkin sign that says thankful. I also got it from Dollar Tree, and this easel, display easel in gold tone. The LED candles, and some leaves. This I just cut this out, and I'm planning on gluing this in the candle holder. So I'm gonna start by decorating my hurricane vase, and for this I'm going to use my burlap ribbon, and I'm just gonna measure it around, cut the size that I need, and because it's so wide, I'm gonna fold the ribbon in half, and then I'm gonna glue it with a little bit of hot glue. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Next, I'm gonna take some of these bittersweet flowers, and I'm just gonna cut 3 of them and glue them on top of the ribbon. Alright, let me show you what it looks like. Just a little decoration to make my vase look very pretty. Next, I'm gonna decorate my candle holder, and for this I'm gonna be using these leaves, and I'm just gonna glue them using my hot glue gun. I'm just gonna add a double glue all the way around the edges of the leaf, and that's how I'm gonna glue them all the way around my candle holder. Look how pretty this looks. You can also use Mod Podge if you like, but I didn't want to paint like the whole thing with glue and it's kind of messy, so I decided to use my hot glue gun because it was easier for me. Next, I'm going to cut a piece of this raffia and I'm just gonna glue it right on the opening of the candle holder, and for this I also gonna be using my hot glue gun. Okay, let me show you what it looks like. It's looking pretty cute, but I think it needs a little something. So I'm going to create a bow using another piece of this raffia, and on the middle of the bow I'm going to glue a little of the bittersweet flowers. Okay, there, that looks a lot cuter. I really like the way it turned out. Both the candle holder and the vase are looking really cute, so now I'm ready to move on to the next step. So now I'm gonna take my stones and I'm gonna fill up the vase with the stones, and then I'm going to be adding my flowers. So here's my flower arrangement. It's looking very pretty, and as I mentioned in the intro, I made 2 sets, so here's my second one. I am so in love with these colors. This is why I wanted to put some of these colors throughout my home, because it just gives it a really nice pop of color and they look amazing. So now for the candle holder, all I have to do is add my LED battery operated candle. You can use a real candle if you like, but I'm using this LED candle, and that's about it. I also bought this pumpkin sign. It comes with a rope for you to hang it, but I'm gonna display it using my easel. So I'm just gonna remove the rope and I'm gonna display it with my easel. So here's my easel. It's one of the small ones and it's gold tone. And now I'm gonna show you how I put everything together. now look how beautiful this fall decor turned out. It's very easy, very simple to do, but very, very beautiful, and it looks great in my living room. All right, my friends, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, because coming up I'm gonna have several Christmas DIYs that you don't want to miss. See you next one.